Starting a logistics company can be one of the most exciting and profitable ventures in today's economy. With the rise of e-commerce, manufacturing, and international trade, the world depends on logistics to move goods efficiently. But before you buy trucks or sign contracts, you need one thing first: a clear, strategic logistics business plan. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a logistics company from the ground up, covering the key decisions you'll need to make in your business plan, from defining your niche, pricing and operations, to financing, compliance, and scaling. So grab a notepad, this one's packed with value. Define your logistics niche. The first decision is what type of logistics business you want to start. Logistics is a massive industry, and success depends on choosing a specific niche that aligns with your resources and expertise. Here are a few options. Freight trucking, transporting goods over land, either long haul or regional. Courier and delivery, local delivery services for e-commerce or retail. Warehousing and distribution, offering storage, packaging, and fulfillment. Freight forwarding, coordinating shipments across carriers, ports, and customs. Specialized transport, moving heavy equipment, refrigerated goods, or hazardous materials. Ask yourself, what type of logistics service is in high demand in my region, and where can I provide the most value? Your choice will shape every part of your business, from permits to pricing to marketing. Understand the market. Next, you need to understand who your customers are and what they need. A solid market analysis should answer: what industries will I serve? Who are the top competitors? What are the pricing models and service levels? Where are the inefficiencies or pain points in the market? For example, if local manufacturers struggle with unreliable delivery times, reliability becomes your key value proposition. If e-commerce sellers need fast, last-mile delivery, focus on speed and real-time tracking. This step isn't just research, it's the foundation of your competitive advantage. Business model and revenue streams. Once you've defined your niche and market, it's time to design your business model. Ask yourself, how will you charge your clients? Per delivery? Per mile? Per pallet? Or via contracts? Will you own your fleet, lease vehicles, or subcontracts? Will you operate regionally or nationally? Common revenue models include direct contracts with companies, brokerage fees connecting shippers and carriers, subscription or retainer models for recurring clients. Your model should prioritize profitability and scalability. A small courier fleet might start local, but if your systems are efficient, you can scale into warehousing, fulfillment, or cross-border freight later. Operations plan. Next, build your operations plan, the heart of your logistics company. Detail how your business will run day to day. Fleet management. How many vehicles do you need? What types? Technology. Will you use GPS tracking, route optimization, or fleet management software? Staffing. Drivers, dispatchers, warehouse staff, and customer service. Maintenance and safety. Regular inspections and compliance with local transport regulations. Efficiency is everything. A well-organized dispatch system can save thousands of fuel and time. Even if you start with just 1 or 2 trucks, run it like a professional operation from day one. Licensing, insurance, and compliance. The logistics industry is heavily regulated, and this is where many new entrepreneurs slip up. Depending on your country or region, you may need a business license and tax ID, operating authority or transport permits, insurance for vehicles, cargo, and liability, driver qualifications, and safety compliance. If you plan to operate internationally, you'll also need to understand customs, import and export, and freight forwarding licenses. It might sound complex, but this section of your business plan shows investors and partners that you're building a credible, compliant operation. Financial plan. Now let's talk about money. Starting a logistics company can be capital intensive, so your business plan must include a detailed financial forecast. Break down your costs into startup costs, vehicles, equipment, permits, branding, and office setup. Operating costs, fuel, maintenance, insurance, payroll, and technology. Revenue projections, based on contract values, delivery volume, and capacity utilization. You'll also want to calculate break-even point, how long until your business becomes profitable. Cash flow management, since fuel and payroll often need to be paid before clients pay you. If you're seeking funding, include how much capital you need, how it will be used, and what your expected returns are. Investors don't just fund trucks, they fund clear, well-planned business strategies. Marketing and client acquisition. Even the best logistics company fails without clients. In your business plan, outline how you'll attract and retain customers. Consider these tactics: networking and partnership with manufacturers, retailers, and freight brokers. Digital marketing, website, Google Ads, LinkedIn outreach, SEO. Offline strategies, cold calls, trade shows, and referrals. Customer retention, offering reliable service, clear communication, and performance reports. Remember, in logistics, reputation is everything. Your goal is to become the most trusted and consistent provider in your niche. Growth and scaling strategy. Finally, think long-term. Once your logistics company is running smoothly, how will you scale? Common strategies include expanding your fleet or service area, adding warehousing or fulfillment capabilities, partnering with other logistics firms, investing in automation and tracking technology. Every stage of growth should be backed by data and customer demand. Scaling too fast can kill a logistics business, but scaling strategically creates real wealth. A logistics company is more than trucks and drivers. It's a system of planning, efficiency, and trust. With a strong business plan, clear operations, and smart scaling, you can build a logistics company that moves more than just goods. It moves your future forward. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and check out our next video on how to fund your logistics startup.